model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps low roof limited van. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 186,860. MOT, 8 April 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket will replacing as the coolant is pressurizing. This still starts and drives absolutely perfectly, and if you didn't know what you was looking at you would never know. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. This is a nice clean top spec. Transit Custom definitely has loads more life left in it. Someone